welcome to another edition of Insurance Chat. I'm Chris Villaponda. I'm here with Bob Smith. We're both from Corporate Risk Management Insurance Agency. And today we're going to be talking about properly insuring yourself and the difference between getting insurance online and doing it through an agency. So Bob, maybe you can explain some of the differences that people will need to know about going online and getting a policy or, getting one with an agent.
Yeah, a lot of people just don't realize that the way that insurance companies build their products is kind of this good, better, best concept. So working with an independent agent, we're there to customize the coverages for you. Probably about 80% of the time, we're recommending a better or best scenario for that customer. And I think it works the opposite way at the end of the day online, where their initial price is going to be that lower good product. So Chris, can you give us some examples on the home side? What are some of the optional coverages that we look to customize?
Yeah, so being an agent, we're here to advise you on what coverages you may need on a policy, and everyone's not going to be the same. Some people are going to have condo or renter's policy or homeowner policy, and even with the home policy, you may need higher limits on some things and not on other things. Some of the optional coverages that may not even, come into someone's mind are water backup coverage. That's if your sump pump fails or, water comes in through the drains. Replacement costs on the house itself, guaranteed replacement cost. If your house, is estimated at a certain amount and during a claim, it comes out something higher, you want to make sure that you got that extended amount of money at claim time. Some of those are the coverages that you might want optionally. A new one is service lines. So the line coming in from the pipe, coming in from the sewage line, coming in from the house, from the city, that may get roots in it, or it may break just over being old. So those are some of the coverages that you might want optionally. With all insurance, you're going to have some options that better your situation. Bob, with life insurance, are there options for that too?
Yeah, I mean, same thing. There's a lot of different life insurance types of policies and strategies and concepts, but even within just like a term life policy, are you buying a waiver of premium coverage, an accelerated death benefit? And a lot of the newer policies or companies out there offer a long-term care rider to be added to the life insurance, which is a growing need out there. How about, Chris, on the auto side? I mean, all the auto policies are the same, right?
Yeah, sure. So if you go online, you are maybe just getting the lowest price, the lowest limits, and that may not help you at claim time. So some of the optional coverages with that are OEM parts, which are original parts for vehicles. If you have a newer vehicle that, gets in an accident, you want to make sure that you're going to have the right parts. If you have an older vehicle, it may not be such a situation where you may need that. It could be aftermarket parts for that, so you may not need that there. Glass coverage on the windshield. A lot of times a rock can hit the windshield. That coverage is under comprehensive. That has a deductible, but you can buy a coverage that there's going to be no deductible. So that's good in that case. Lien coverage. If you have a lien holder or if you're leasing the vehicle, you may want coverage for the gap that may be in there if your car's total. So, some of those coverages are going to be good for, people with the auto versus people online just buying the cheapest price. I think it's important to have, an agent advise you for this stuff. We can definitely do that for you. We want to save you money, want to get you the right price, the right coverages for that. Bob, if people want to, contact us, for insurance or questions, advice on insurance, where can they go?
Yeah, this is a great time of the year to reach out to us and try to save some money. We can be reached at email info@crm-inc.com or at our website. Check us out at crm-inc.com.
All right. Until next time, we'll see you.
Thanks for joining us.